Creating a YouTube channel involves several steps, from planning your content to optimizing your channel's appearance. Here is a script to guide you through the process. Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a successful YouTube channel. Whether you are an aspiring vlogger, gamer, educator, or entertainer, this script will provide you with a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your channel's purpose. Begin by deciding on the type of content you want to create. Is it gaming tutorials, reviews, comedy, or something entirely unique? Consider your passion, expertise, and what you think will engage your target audience the most. Take time to brainstorm ideas and research popular channels within your niche for inspiration. Step 2. Setting up your YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new Google account. Once signed in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Follow the instructions to set up your channel name and customize your profile picture and banner. Step 3. Channel branding and design. Choose a visually appealing profile picture that represents your channel's brand. It could be your logo or a clear photo of yourself. Create an eye-catching channel banner that reflects your content and captures the attention of viewers. Craft a compelling channel description that introduces your content and tells viewers what they can expect from your channel. Step 4. Creating high-quality content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting equipment to ensure high-quality video and audio production. Plan your content in advance by creating an editorial calendar or a list of video ideas to stay organized. Pay attention to video structure, storytelling, and engaging visuals to captivate your audience. Edit your videos using video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. Add a catchy title, relevant tags, and a thorough description for each video to improve discoverability. Step 5. Optimizing for search and discovery. Perform keyword research using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search feature to identify popular and relevant search terms. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase your chances of appearing in search results. Use custom thumbnails that are visually appealing and accurately represent your video content. Step 6. Consistency and engagement. Stick to a consistent upload schedule to establish audience expectations and build loyalty. Respond to comments, engage with your viewers, and create a sense of community around your channel. Promote your videos on other social media platforms to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's channels and gain exposure. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have a solid foundation for creating your own YouTube channel. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, dedication, and continuous improvement. Keep experimenting, learning from your audience, and refining your content to achieve your goals. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Remember to adjust and personalize the script according to your specific channel goals and requirements.